Alright, good morning, shadows. Today is museum day. We're gonna hit all the museums I found yesterday. I'm actually out a little early, so I think I might go just chill and sit someplace and just kind of relax. I got ready and everything, and I'm sure the museums don't open till 10. That's usually when museums open. So I may just go maybe chill in the park for 30 minutes. I don't know. I don't want to be like super eager and be like there right when they open the doors, you know. So I got about probably an hour before I'll do that. So I thought maybe just tool around, maybe, you know, explore a little bit more. Yeah. So let's start this day. Since I have a little time before we can make our way to the museum, I thought I'd check out this church that's right near us, as well as maybe try to find the bus station so I know where the hell I'm going tomorrow. I mean, Tuesday. The days run together, guys, when you're traveling. Alright, let's check this out. Guys, so right near my hostel there's this old church, and so I don't know what church it is, but it's pretty cool looking. Definitely a little older, so check it out. Now we're just gonna walk to our next stop. Like I said, guys, I have a little bit, so I saw a couple things yesterday when I was roaming that I wanted to shoot and let you guys see because they're just really stinking cool. One of them was this church, another is this like really cool like nautical themed park. So we'll get to that here in a minute, but check this out. Pretty cool, right? So it just happens to be right next to the park I was talking about. So we're gonna go take some pictures and I'll show you some footage. It's a pretty interesting little park. Let's see what's going on. Alright guys, so just about to go in. You know the drill, probably not allowed to take photography in there, but I'll let you know what it's like when I get done. Alright guys, see you. Alright guys, so finished up at the National History Museum. It was actually really nice. It was kind of small, but almost everything had like English translation, which I much appreciate. It probably took me about 30 minutes to walk through the whole thing, all 3 floors. And then I just hopped over to the Ethnographical Museum, so check it out. So much like the other museum, I'm sure I can't take pictures, so I'm going to take a few pictures around the yard here and take a picture of the building and then head in and see what it's all about. And then after this, I think it is I think the next one actually is the National History Museum. I think the other one was, I'll hold on. Let's look at my little sheet here. Okay, so the one I just went on was the historical museum. For that was primarily for Burgas, and the one I'm at right now is the Natural History Museum. No, that's the Ethnological Museum. See, I'm going to a bunch of museums, I'm getting all lost. Alright guys, I'm gonna head in and see what we got going on. Alright guys, so finished up the Ethnograph Museum. It's a small museum, and the first floor doesn't really have a lot in English. The second floor does have stuff in English. If you're really into like the costumes and fashion, this is like a really great place to go because you get an idea of the local fashion and customs of Burgas in the past. So it took me about 20 minutes to walk through, and now we're gonna move to the National History Museum, I think is the next one we're going to. I'm just gonna take a few pics and then we'll get headed that way. Alright guys, so I finished the Natural History Museum, so clearly I was pronouncing that wrong. It's pretty cool, especially if you're into like nature, talk a lot about like species and that kind of stuff with natural history, of course. Hold on, let me fix this. So the last museum on the list is the Archaeological Museum. So I did mention they have a really great deal, so for all 4 museums I paid 10 lev, whereas each one would be 5, so as long as you go to 2, that's actually worth it. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and chill for a second. That museum took me about 30 minutes to go through, and it was good because there was a lot of stuff in English, so it really helped out. Yeah, last one is the Archaeological Museum, and then lunch, and then back to the hotel to work a little bit. I hope the weather clears up for tomorrow. I'm gonna have to check the weather when I get back because tomorrow's supposed to be my beach day. If it's anything like today, it's not really gonna be much of a beach day. Yeah, I'm gonna stay for a few seconds, then we're gonna head in to... That is the Archaeological Museum building. Alright, good morning, shadows. As you can see, I'm wearing my snazzy outfit today, which means that it is a beach day. We're gonna do a little walk through the park as well. So it's gonna be kind of a chill day. Just lay out at the beach, get some sun. Continuing my struggle to get some color on these legs. The struggle is real, y'all. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing today. We're gonna do a little, like I said, a little time in the park. I think I might hit the beach first, and then I can kind of use the park to just kind of chill. And then yeah, so let's go. So I made it. I found my spot, got my stuff all set up, check it out. And now it's just kind of chill, try to get some, like I said, sun on these ridiculous legs. Hopefully I can do that. Yeah, so for a little bit, just gonna chill and read and watch this and listen. See you guys in a bit. Well guys, the day has turned kind of overcast, so I'm still gonna chill at the beach. The ocean is some place that really relaxes me, so but I think tomorrow I'll also come and try to do another little bit. I'm still trying to, like I said, get color on these legs, so I mean I gotta work hard. yeah, all right. Alright guys, so like I said, it got a little cloudy, so I got about an hour at the beach. Tomorrow I think I'm going to do some more. I'm still going to walk because it's just sprinkling right now. It's not like torrential downpour, so just thought I'd take a little stroll along the beach to kind of finish out this beach day.